Today we're in the heart of the Hills District, a short 35-minute drive to the Sydney CBD. From the outside, this may look like your traditional red brick style home, but as we take you through, you'll see it's been completely transformed to suit this modern family. Let's go check out the latest Blue Space renovation. Let's take a look at this warm and inviting master bathroom. Inspired by the Mediterranean, the natural stone and brushed gold finishes have completely brought this space to life. As you step into this space, you're immediately met with stunning travertine-style floor-to-ceiling tiles and a gorgeous handmade Moroccan-inspired feature wall. The tiles not only complement each other beautifully, but they add depth and texture to the bathroom, giving it an overall luxurious and inviting feel. No master bathroom is complete without a feature bathtub. Here we have our Decina Piccolo freestanding bath, which features a subtle sloped edge and a high reclining backrest for a comfortable yet stylish bathing experience. The Piccolo also takes up only a small amount of space, leaving plenty of room for your remaining fixtures. One of the great things about this bathroom is that none of the plumbing was moved in the process of the renovation. Instead, everything was kept in its original place and simply updated with new, modern alternatives. This is a great way to save money during a bathroom renovation, as it costs less to keep your plumbing in its existing place. Adding another layer of warmth to this bathroom is our stunning ADP Clifton vanity in prime oak wood mat. The rich colour of the timber combined with the V-groove wood grain design is the perfect addition to this Mediterranean-inspired space. Also featured are two of our ADP Margot above counter basins in matte white, creating a seamless extension of this white stone countertop. This area is then tied together with our ADP Glacier light shaving cabinet in matching prime oak wood mat. Although not always the prettiest, the toilet is by far the most functional and most used element of any bathroom. That's why it's important to take your time and consider all of your options when choosing a toilet. Take our Caroma Urbane 2 Clean Flush Toilet Suite for example. With GermGuard antimicrobial protection, a rimless design for easy cleaning, and Caroma's revolutionary Clean Flush technology, there's a reason that the Urbane 2 is Australia's most popular toilet. Caroma hasn't just thought of functionality though. They've even considered style with interchangeable flush buttons and hinges available to suit your unique choice of tapware and accessories. To round out this bathroom, we have our beautiful Phoenix brush gold tapware and accessories. We love the choice of the gold for this bathroom as it complements the overall tones in the room whilst continuing the warmth of Mediterranean theme. This entire range of products features a soft rounded design from the taps and mixers to the towel rails. This provides a unified and luxurious finish to this main bathroom. That brings us to the end of our Blue Space renovation tour. We hope you'll join us next time as we check out more beautiful renovations brought to you by the Blue Space. We'd also love to hear from you, so don't forget to leave your questions and comments below.